we built some massive jumps, some insanely massive jumps. We're gonna be ripping around there. And then Abe is gonna be ripping around the mini bike. We're doing a little bit of mini bike testing. So let's get into it.
Alright guys, so right now what's happening? We're making a jump right now. It might be a booter. And we're gonna have to throttle on like that John. So kind of a flat landing. Yeah. Just hit on the new jump because it's technically done. We'll see how it goes. Oh yeah, he's just going for it. He's just going for it. Ooh, kind of nose dive right there. Not that much throttle out. Alright, new jump. Okay, new jump. So, it's pretty good. It's not the best for tricks because you have to like slam your throttle. Look at him. Look at him. Marauders. Can't really see it. He's going really fast into it to like get a good takeoff.
I don't know.
But it's pretty fun.
Minibike testing number 1. Grant's gonna be hitting the. He's gonna hit the jump right here. This jump right here. Not really jump, like a bump, but hey, it'll get some air. Oh. A little. Hit it again. It's squeaking, but that's fine. Flash go, and then he can't get Charlie a turn.
So sketchy jumping it. You have to like
Get out the way, just in case.
send it.
Ah, he has no speed, bro. What the John? I just voice cracked so hard. What was that, Charlie? Faster! That was buns. That was so slow. Let's go for the last attempt. It's kind of loud. Also like Dookie.
Yeah.
Here he comes. Oh, he's flying. Charlie, move! Look at that photo. Wait, show him the choke camera. That's fire.
This is
He's sending it. Okay, let's move on to the next thing. We're gonna jump this jump right here.
This
Bike.
was supposed to be a trick jump, but we just never did anything with this.
He's gonna hit the jump. He's gonna make some practice ones. This is what it looks like. It's kind of sketch.
It would be pretty funny if he G'd out at the bottom and went over the bars.
Let's see what happens.
That would be mad funny, bro.
Okay, I think he's gonna do some run-up attempts. Going for some run-ups. This jump, bro. It's so clapped. For some run-up attempts. Let's see it. No foot on the pegs. Cut it! Oh, coming out of that thing. More speed! He's sending it. Faster! Grant's gonna hit it because Charlie's not cutting it. He needs to go faster. Faster! Charlie's too dangerous on the mini bike. Oh. Oh! Yeah. That's a clear and a half right there. That's a clear. Another one, you just send it?
Did I clear it?
Yeah. Hit it again, hit it again.
Alright, bet.
Oh man, it's upside down. Oh shoot, it's smoking. The oils are everywhere, dude.
That job's about to blow up.
Yeah, maybe we should just leave it out for a little bit.
Alright guys, so as you saw in the last clip, the mini bike like grounded itself. So we're not turning it on right now, so it's done for the day.
Yeah.
But
We're fixing this jump
we're working on this jump.
for the last bit of the video. Because somebody keeps casing it.
Alright, we'll see you guys in the next clip.
We're just going to hit the jump and then we got the jump, the lip done. Charlie's about to rage bait Grant on how he does. So, let's see it. It's going to be pretty funny. Is it a booter?
I got bucked and I went so high, bro. Oh my
Yeah.
That's actually a booter.
Rage bait him, rage bait him. You gotta rage bait him. Go over there and tell him he didn't hit it fast enough. I already told him, I told him. Okay. Go tell him he's not. He didn't hit it fast enough. What's this boy doing? Oh, that's nasty.
Well, I wonder if the mini bike's good.
Yes, sir.
Hey, I did it. He did it.
Yeah.
He's blaming me for stuff, but I didn't even do anything. Oh, that's kind of bad. You gotta spread it longer. Huh? You gotta spread it longer. That's kind of bad. Dude, you're literally straight airing it and letting it completely sideways. Yeah, it's wider than your face.
Oh. He's not even doing anything.
You gotta go faster.
Oh, he had to fix the
Oh,
goggles.
you messed up my line. Let me walk in real quick.
You gotta show off.
It looks like you're riding with high heels on. You gotta go farther. It looks like you're about to die, bro. Yeah, well, every single cup lands sideways. High heels on. Watch this. What is he doing?
Oh shoot, he just got.
Come here. Yo, can you do this? Grant, can you do the silly salmon? This is silly salmon. Watch.
You gonna hit the silver sand?
I don't want to.
He's gonna throw a rake
No,
at me.
no, he's not.
Wait, you can't hit a silly salmon like this.
I'm hitting a longer silly salmon. That's a crazy thing.
A longer silly salmon. Oh, we hit one. Okay.
Okay, so this video might be a bit longer. Not as long as our longest video, but a bit longer than that one. Or a bit shorter. But we did some jumps and some riding and some testing.
Some mini bike. There will be more mini bike testing when we get there.
Grant, if they're up to the end of the video.
Let us know what you want us to do next because we need some feedback
Yeah.
for our videos.
Comment down below. We're running out of ideas.
And comment if Abe should get a 110.
Because he's riding behind.
Bro, I'm not getting, my parents won't let me get a 110.
All right, we'll see you guys in the next.